Hi, let's get started. In this short video, we will show you how to create your own vinyl record using the website Kunaki.com. With the help of this site, you can create your own CD, DVD, Blu-ray, vinyl record, and audio cassette. Now we are interested in vinyl discs, so let's go to the desired section of the site. Here you can find various technical information about the vinyl records produced by Kunaki. Please familiarize yourself with the prices and technical requirements for graphic and audio files so that everything works out for you. Pay special attention to the requirements for the size of graphic files. This is necessary so that the envelope for your record turns out to be of high quality and pleases you with its appearance. So that's it. We're almost there. Register in the system if you haven't already done so. Press the green button. Great, we're on the page where we'll do the main work, namely, upload the cover files, the vinyl sticker files, and the audio files to the server. First, let's select the files for the cover and back of the envelope. Also, let's select and upload the files for vinyl record stickers for Side A and Side B. Okay, we're done with the pictures. Now we will load the audio files for the record. After we upload the files to the server, we need to specify the name of our project for the system. Great, everything is in its place. If we haven't mixed anything up, click on the Upload button next to each selected file. We check if everything is okay and click on the Submit Product button. You may have to wait a while the system processes all our files. When the system is ready, you will receive an email in your inbox, and you will also be able to view on the server how your product will look. At the same time, listen to the tracks you have chosen for your record. This is how we created a great vinyl record. You can create your own, pay for it, and receive it by mail. Don't hesitate, try it. It's surprisingly easy, inspiration to you.